Hello everyone, my name is Sushti. I am from Computer Science and Engineering branch. My topic is about AI in bioimaging and diagnostics. Contents: Introduction to AI in bioimaging, role of bioimaging in diagnostics, applications in diagnostics, challenges and ethical consideration, and future prospects and innovations. Let us see one by one. Introduction: AI uses machine learning and deep learning algorithms to stimulate the human decision making. Bioimaging refers to the techniques that visualize biological structures and processes. Example, we can see that MRI, CT scan, and ultrasound. AI in bioimaging, it improves the image clarity, automates interpretation, and detects the patterns invisible to the human eye. Next, role of bioimaging in diagnostics. Non-invasive visualization. It means that bioimaging allows doctors to look inside the body without surgery using tools like X-ray, MRI, and CT scans. Next is detection abnormalities. It helps identities issues like tumors, bone fractures, and blood clots with great accuracy. And next, engineer's role. What is the engineer's role in bioimaging? Is that engineers design the hardware. That is, hardware is nothing but the machines, and the software is nothing but the programs, and the algorithms means AI used in bioimaging for better results. We will use the engineers. Next, we can see next is create large data sets for AI. It creates the large data sets. Medical images generated large amount of data which can be used to train the AI systems for better diagnosis. And it also helps with the treatment planning. Doctors can use imaging to plan surgeries or treatments and guide them in real time during procedures. And last is tracks disease progression. It tracks the diseases and it follow up the imaging helps doctors monitor how a disease is changing over time, especially after the treatment. Next is what is the applications of diagnostics. Let us see one by one. First is medical imaging. Medical imaging where we use this application. Enhance accuracy in detecting diseases using tools like MRI, CT scans, and ultrasounds. It is used in the medical image. Next is AI based diagnostic tools. It analyzes the medical data to assist in diseases prediction and diagnosis. Next is embedded system. It power portable diagnostics diseases devices with real-time processing capabilities. And next, 3D printing of diagnostic tools. Engineers design and print custom components for the medical diagnosis. Last is human machine interface HMI design. Engineers create user-friendly interface for the diagnostic tools. Next is challenges and ethical consideration. Data privacy. Engineers must protect patient data and follow the health data privacy laws like HIPP and GDPR. And it also lack of quality data. AI needs large and balanced data sets. Engineers often face the challenge of working with limited or based biased medical data. Next, ethical use of the AI. Engineers should build AI that is fair, avoids bias, doesn't replace doctors and is transparent. Technical limits. Challenges include high computing requirements, slow processing, and the low quality images. Last is future prospects and innovation. Smarter AI models. AI will diagnose disease more accuracy using the improved algorithms. Using the improved algorithms, AI will detect. Next, real-time imaging. AI will assist the doctors instantly during scans and the surgeries. It will detect directly, instantly. Portable devices. Engineers will create small AI-powered imaging tools for remote use. We will do. Next, 3D and 4D imaging. Advanced imaging will offer more detailed dynamic internal views. Next, personalized medicine. AI will help tailor treatments based on patient specifying the imaging data. Conclusion: we understood that AI will do everything. By doing AI, it will diagnose the diseases and it will detect the diseases and it will assist the doctors instantly. Everything. Thank you.